You might be asking yourself, is that really William Douglas pouring an epoxy river table? How could this have happened? Is money really that scarce? Well, let's take you back 72 hours.
Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on blinking, she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. No. G's, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the doorman just whole team hit. Get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face.
What's going on with you, man?
Something's been bothering me.
COVID got you down?
No, man, it's not COVID. I can handle a little social distancing. It's epoxy river tables. We live in a world where epoxy river tables have been nationally accepted.
Yeah, I hear that, man. Like, where's the respect for the craft?
Exactly, man. That's what I've been saying. Our forefathers didn't work their asses off for us to just auto-tune woodworking.
What happened to timeless design? When did it become okay to bedazzle your dining room table?
I thought we left glitter in the 80s.
Well, I'll tell you this much. There's no glitter in my house unless I just got home from the gentleman's club.
But hey, man, it pays the bills. Whatever.
We can't be mad at people for trying to pay their rent.
It's hard enough being a woodworker as it is. Got to get that cheddar cheese while you can.
Ride them fads if that's what you gotta do to survive.
Pop quiz, hotshot. How many fingers are lost per year on a table saw?
Easy. 4,000 amputations, 30,000 reported injuries.
Maybe that's why people are switching to epoxy river tables. It's much safer to make.
I don't buy it. Saw stop table saws are a real thing. Buy a saw stop. Save your soul.
But have you ever seen anything so loud?
Look at me, I got hot lava running down the center of my table.
When did it become okay to put literal plastic down the center of your table?
The way I see it is, if you're gonna use plastic, can you at least have the dignity to use recycled plastic?
Not only are they ruining timeless design with no care or consideration for the next generation, but they are destroying an environment at the same time. An environment that you and I both live in, I might add.
You know, if the table's gonna land in the landfill one day, you might as well use products from said landfill. Listen, man, I got nothing but love for the modern woodworker. Nothing but love.
All love over here. I wish no one anything but the best.
We are lucky to have such a great group of peers, you know. The industry as a whole is crazy supportive.
Everyone just wants to see each other succeed. There really isn't a better group of people.
If we bring real though, epoxy is the literal mullet of woodworking.
That's what I've been saying. When are people gonna see that epoxy river tables are just grandma's peach-covered carpet in the bathroom? All over again.
It's really no different, man. We lived bell-bottom pants in the 70s and no one wants to revisit that.
You know the day is coming. Pretty soon, woodworkers all over are gonna be deleting their epoxy river table posts.
Gotta hide the evidence.
You remember last year? It got up to 127 degrees in Phoenix.
How could I forget? Epoxy river tables were mounting all around us. I'd hate to have to warranty that nightmare.
But hey, man, all anyone's trying to do is pay their bills.
Live and let live.
How can you thrive in a world of woodworkers when woodworkers are faced by fads from Etsy on a daily basis?
Hey, you can't fault the woodworker. Most don't even have a choice in the matter, and the name of the game is survival.
We're all just trying to feed our families.
Sometimes you have to make sacrifices for the greater good. You know what? Count ourselves lucky that we haven't had to take the bait.
I'll definitely drink to that. How can we help you?
I was hoping you could make me an epoxy river table I found on Pinterest.
Yeah, come on in,
of
have a
course,
seat.
Of course. Epoxy river tables are actually our specialty.
Yeah, we're actually thinking about changing our name to Epoxy River Co. I'd say God bless you, but looks like he already has.
So, you like raisins? How do you feel about a date?
Well, here I am. What are your other 2 wishes? These are trash, dude. If you were a booger, I'd pick you first.
Are you a carpenter? Because you just made a banana stand.
Can I have your number? My car just ran out of gas. Do you think you can give me a ride?
That was lame.
What lame was that? I'm gonna be with her in her car. Hey, if there's anything else you want, we can make anything.
Anything.
Anything. Anything. Do you want a drink? What else have we got in the fridge?
Some, whatever you need.
Do you drink espresso? Do you have wine?
Go
I think
on.
it has whiskey too.
We have whiskey.
Did you drink whiskey?
Got whiskey right here.
I'm just gonna pour you a glass.
I'll get you a glass. You know what? Make it 2.
No. You know what's perfect? You just showed up because we actually got a 3rd shot here that's not being put to use yet.
Are you looking for a job? We've got some openings.
Please. Make yourself at home.
Can I take your jacket?
Yeah.
She's not wearing a jacket. Can I get you a jacket?
Can I get you a jacket? Yeah, can we get you a jacket?
Thank you to all of our patrons for your continued support. Without you, we are nothing more than a beautiful chisel without a Tormek.